Document information. When you click on Info option in the first column, it displays the following information in the second column of the Backstage view. Compatibility mode. If the document is not a native Word 2007 or 2010 document, a Convert button appears here, enabling you to easily update its format. Otherwise, this category does not appear. Permissions. You can use this option to protect your Word document. You can set a password so that nobody can open your document, or you can lock the document so that nobody can edit your document. Prepare for sharing. This section highlights important information you should know about your document before you send it to others, such as a record of the edits you made as you develop the document. Versions. If the document has been saved several times, you may be able to access previous versions of it from this section. Document properties. When you click Info option available in the first column, it displays various properties in the third column of the Backstage view. These properties include document size, number of pages in the document, total number of words in the document, author, etc. You can also edit various properties. Just try to click on the property value, and if property is editable, then it will display a text box where you can add your text like title, tags, comments, author. Exit Backstage view. Either click on File tab or press Escape button on the keyboard to go back in Word working mode. Ribbons. To minimize and maximize the ribbon. You can minimize the ribbon if it takes too much screen space. 1. Click the arrow in the upper right-hand corner of the ribbon to minimize it. 2. Click the arrow again to maximize the ribbon. 3. When the ribbon is minimized, clicking on the tab will make it reappear. However, the ribbon will disappear again when you aren't using it. To customize the ribbon. 1. Right-click the ribbon and click on Customize the ribbon. This will bring up a dialog box. 2. Click on New tab. This will create a new tab with a new group. 3. Select the new group. 4. Select a command from the list on the left, then click Add. You can also drag commands directly into the group. 5. After adding commands, click OK. 6. If you don't see the command you want, click on the Choose Commands From drop-down box and click All Commands.